name is Johan Kock, K-O-C-K, just J-K. I make pipes, and I have made pipes for 50 years, and I have a little break because I work in the school here in the little island area, and I live in the town Ærøskøbing. I am pipe makers, and I will show you some of my pipes, and you can have a look. And I have a shake pipe here, very nice pipes in the Bruyère, relic painted, and the wood is straight grain, and timber is 19 millimeters, and the length is 140 millimeters, and the mount pieces is homemade, and it's made here on the place, and it is very nice pipes, and in the top you have a lot of bird eyes, and here I have a very nice pipes too. It's Snehvide, it's black Bruyère and silver ring, and white mouthpieces. Is all thing you see here is made here in the house. It's a very nice pipe too, and I have beautiful pipes here. It is sandblasted, and the sheet is from Valros, and the chamber is 19 millimeters, and the mouthpiece is ebonite. It's a very nice pipes, I think. I will show my pipes in the near holes so you can see the finish on the pipes. It's a straight grain, and the bird eyes and the mouthpieces. It's a very nice pipes, and I have a Snehvide is black paint and silver and white mouthpieces. It's beautiful pipes too. And the last in this time is when it's a sandblasted, and I told you it's very nice. Yeah, thank you.